unit to try out here. It is the Fair Rc Flatbed Mod, and it's cool. Tennessee license plate. It's gonna be hard to see, I think. But anyways, and it's got Putnam County, which is kind of a neighboring county to where I'm at. So, but yeah, picked this up. It's the Fair Rc FCX18 Flatbed Mod, and we're gonna try her out a little bit here on my little course at home. The one I got right now. I'm gonna try to. I'm not gonna turn the lights on or anything, but we're gonna do this one, and then we're gonna do that other little spot. But it is pretty smooth. It's got fairly decent ground clearance. It's about the same clearance as a high trail, but it's got a little bit longer wheelbase. But the servo and the driving in crawl mode, or whatever you want to call it, first gear, is pretty smooth. And nice soft tires. Oh yeah, look at that tire squish. Oh yeah. You know I'm all about that. So, going on our little course here. We're gonna try it out some more in some other spots this week at the hotel, but we're look at that. Crawling right up over that spot. But some future mods to this, I want to put wooden sides. I'm going to build some little wooden sides on the back, or on the flatbed, and then I'm going to put see about building an exhaust system, because this truck's going to be a quote-unquote Cummins. Hence why on the front plate I put the Cummins seat and I put 12D on there. This one's a lot easier to film because I can run the controller with one hand. Let's throw that stick in there. Make it more interesting. Let's go back. But yeah, these Batrazzi wheels and tires are pretty sweet. And, you know, everybody's saying that, oh, it's a trail truck, it's not a crawler, which, okay, maybe, but at the same time, it does pretty good at crawling. I'd say we're on course with a high trail, which there's a lot of people that don't seem to think those are crawlers, but whatever. Yeah, I mean, look at that. Nice flex. I got the rear shocks jacked up a little bit because of the weight in the back. That one rock is pretty. Oh no. And the hood open too, so look at that. There, let's put that someplace where we can crawl over it. Maybe it won't fucking come out again. But yeah, it crawls pretty good. I don't know. I guess if you're having a real issue with crawling some of these trucks, maybe it's because you can't really drive. I don't know. Or the fact that your definition of a crawler is a little bit too high. I don't know. It's like some of these people, and no disrespect, but it seems like some people just expect it to be like a comp crawler straight out of the box or something. I don't know. But so far, I'm pretty happy with it. It's better than the Panda was out of the box, I can tell you that. But for 200 bucks, pretty good. But it looks a lot like the trucks that like my dad and my grandpa had when growing up, so that's part of it. His dad had a 78, grandpa had a 74, and then dad also had a 82, all with flatbeds on them, so it's pretty cool. But yeah, you can only get them in the white now. The black is sold out, and your chances of buying a red one now, bubkiss. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a pretty sweet little crawler, so we'll catch you in another episode.